modification time with EAE Motorsports. The team over in the USA sent over one of their latest products, the Billet Power Steering Fluid Reservoir. This part is sculpted from T6 aluminum with an increased capacity of 180 milliliters. The factory part is prone to leak under tracking conditions and enthusiastic driving. Once all bolted down and the lines fitted, go ahead and top up the fluid and bleed the system. After that, ensure no leaks and enjoy a dry and clean engine bay from your new upgraded part. That's made in America.